I think what people need to know is that this is going to be one of the most defining elections of our generation.
In the audience right now, I'm so sorry that you have to listen to this bullshit. National slogan is in it for you. National slogan should be in it for themselves.
If you care about people and you care about the planet, you should vote for the Green Party. Because on October 14th, we're going to find out whether we're going to keep moving forward as a country or whether we're going to go back to the dark ages. Cool. Thank you.
All good?
Yeah, thanks, Lena.
Enjoy.
Thank you, I will. Morning. Hi. Kia ora, he uri tēnei no Ngāti Awa me Waikato Tainu hoki, ko te amata pō tōku ingoa. I just think we should listen to rangatahi and tamariki more often because they are the best at describing what a problem is and coming up with the causes of those issues and coming up with solutions too. What is the biggest cause of climate change? Being on the city council, you do tend to be around older, more cynical people who don't believe in climate change or things like that. So it's really refreshing to be around that youthful energy. Who causes those greenhouse gases? Cows, yes, but who put those cows there? Humans! We, all of us, we are the ones that have created climate change. Yeah. Now we're going to News Talk ZB to talk to Nick Mills on Friday Face Off. For me, it's about reaching out to an audience that I maybe don't typically engage with. I have been hearing that a bit, but I have also been hearing a lot of people saying, I really want to vote for the Greens, but I feel like I have to vote for Labour because they look like they're in trouble. People are just uninspired by Labour. Being a politician, being paid to serve your community and to find solutions to issues that are keeping you up at night is nothing but a privilege and an honour.
One last thought, which everyone in this room can agree. Up the wires and up the mats.
We're here at the Aro Valley Community Centre for the Aro Valley debate. Looking forward to having a kōrero with my community about who they're voting for this year.
But also, I will be a hearty, strong voice for you no matter what government we have, because if the National Party thinks that they can come through here and build highways through our communities, then they've got another thing coming.
A referendum on Te Tiriti o Waitangi and whether we're going to abolish all of the ministries for Pacific people and ethnic communities. You know, like there's some pretty scary stuff being proposed by the National and ACT government. A lot of people say like, oh, you're going to be a great leader of tomorrow, and it's like, we don't have to wait till tomorrow. We can be leaders right now. We can make decisions that our tipuna made for us today. And I implore whānau to look beyond what politicians say and look at what they actually are going to do, and that's how you should vote.